guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunday Abegunde, a top-rated plus Upwork content strategist. I created this channel to help you win big on Upwork and make more money. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get free Upwork Connect or maximize the Upwork Connect you already have. You know, Upwork Connect costs 15 cents per connect. That means a job that requires 8 connects costs $1 to send proposals. And if you send out these proposals and these proposals don't convert to job, that means you lose $1 every time you send out a proposal. That is given that each job requires 8 connects. Then given that Upwork recently increased the number of connects required to bid for some kind of jobs recently on Upwork. So you need to get free Upwork Connect or be able to manage the one you already have. One way to get free Upwork Connect is when you sign up on Upwork. That is pretty obvious. But the third method I'm going to tell you about, that is the black hat method. If you sign up on Upwork, you're going to get free connects. You can get as much as 10 to 40 connect depending on a couple of factors. Then let me quickly pass this. Most newbies waste this first set of connects just applying for jobs randomly, like not understanding how to send proposals. So if you are totally new on Upwork, please check my videos on how to send out proposals and how to set up your account and all that. Please look it up. There's a playlist for beginners on this channel. So let me pass this caveat before sharing the second method of getting free Upwork Connect with you. It is not exactly giving you Upwork Connect, but it will do for you what an extra Upwork Connect will do. For example, if you have 10 Upwork Connect and you want to apply for a job that requires 8 connects, that is where this method comes in. You can save that 8 connects in your Upwork account, and here is how to go about it. Some job descriptions on Upwork carry the names of the brand, the contact details of the client, although Upwork Terms of Service does not allow clients to input contact details in the description. And if you find any means of contacting the client, for example, if there's a brand name or the client attached a link to their Instagram or something, so you can just send them an email or send them an inbox outside of Upwork. One of the ways you can make them respond to you is not to start the conversation with a new prospective client in the inbox. So check their Instagram page, comment on a couple of their posts, especially if they don't have a large audience. So if you comment on a couple of their posts, it's easy for them to notice you. Then you can send the inbox and then comment on one of their posts saying that you have a message for them in the DM. If luckily for you, the client sees the message in the DM, so you send your Upwork link, so you pitch your service to the client outside of Upwork, you send your Upwork link to the client outside of Upwork, so the client clicks the link, comes to Upwork and hire you without you having to send a proposal. I know some people use this method and that's why I'm sharing it. Another method for getting free Upwork Connect is through the Rising Talent badge. So if you join Upwork and then you start to get some projects done on Upwork, after some time you will become a rising talent. That is the first badge on Upwork. That is before the top rated badge. So you become a rising talent on Upwork, and when you become a rising talent on Upwork, Upwork gives you a whooping 30 connects to enhance the opportunities of getting more jobs on the platform. How do you become a rising talent on Upwork? Number 1, complete projects on time and as promised to clients. Number 2, maintain a 100% complete profile with accurate skill and genuine work on Upwork. Keep your availability status up to date. Don't be the person who is active on Upwork this week and because you didn't get response or something, you are gone for another 6 months, then you come to try again, then you are gone for another 3 months. You ensure that you are active on Upwork. At least logging in every day, sending out a proposal every now and then. Another yardstick for getting the Rising Talent badge is that you keep submitting proposals. So Upwork likes it when you keep submitting proposals. Even for me as a top rated plus, when I submit proposals actively, I get more job invitations. Aside the people I send the job proposals to, it's important that you send proposals to jobs that you think you are best fit for and not just every random job on the platform. then it is important that you adhere to Upwork's terms of service. List your chances of becoming a rising talent on Upwork becomes lower. The fourth method for getting free Upwork Connect is by attending Upwork events. Upwork occasionally hold events, and you will find this in your notification bar or in your message, that is in your inbox on Upwork, that Upwork is having this event. If you attend that event, Upwork can reward you with free connects. Another thing is when you respond to interviews, that means when you send out proposals on Upwork and then the client interviews you and you respond to the interview questions, Upwork rewards you with some connects to appreciate your responsiveness to interviews. So another way is that there are sometimes Upwork sends out surveys. So when you fill this survey, Upwork can give you free connect as a reward for your time. The last method I will be discussing is more of a method to conserve the connect than acquiring extra connect, and that is that you should minimize using boosted proposals. Yes, I know that now that Upwork has increased the placement of boosted proposals to the first 4 jobs that appear before clients, it makes it much more tempting for us as freelancers to want to boost our proposals. I boost my proposals sometimes too. That is when I feel I have the rare combination of skills or understanding of the project that the client needs. So I really want the client to see me. So what I'm saying in essence is that to ensure a higher conversion rate without boosting your Upwork proposal with extra connection, focus on writing a convincing proposal that focuses on the client pain points instead of burning connect, which is money. Organize your current sample better. Spend some time on working on your samples. I'm saying don't waste your Upwork connects on proposal visibility. I'm not saying that you should not boost your proposal. I sometimes boost mine. But what I'm saying in essence is that don't waste your Upwork connect on proposal visibility when you've not first invested quality time in learning how to write a convincing proposal. If you simply copy and paste proposal, the visibility you are getting for boosting your proposal won't convert to any job. So another way to get free Upwork Connect is to use some websites that gives free coupon code. Amazingly, Microsoft Edge browser now has a coupon code review sort of function. Before you purchase a particular service, you can just go there, type the name of the website and coupon. You might get a coupon code that works and get you a lot of discounts when you're purchasing your Upwork Connect. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe so you don't miss out other valuable Upwork tips and strategies I'll be sharing with you on this channel.